This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 46 of Building Optimus Prime. In this issue, we are first of all going to have a look. There's a free gift in this one. We have a little keyring, the Autobot logo, very shiny. I don't know how shiny that would stay if I use it on keys. I won't be. I shall put it to the back of my bench there. But yeah, Transformers 2023 copyright on there. So obviously a new item that I will keep over there. I've got a Batman one around there back there somewhere. So yeah, we'll keep that with that. We'll have a look through the magazine and then we'll continue building up this shoulder. Looking at the legacy of the trackers. That was, yeah, we were told about that from the guy that was the stealth bomber, wasn't it? I can't remember his name, but yeah, the Decepticon that turned into a good guy. Vast Galaxy, obviously. Galaxy is quite vast. Sludge. No, the name doesn't ring a bell with me at all. If you want to read all of this, obviously, feel free to pause and zoom in and stuff. European Transformers. No, not recognising any of them. Again, some are just generic car, simple robot things. Some are just a bit strange. There we go. Right, so the right shoulder, part 2. We're putting the joint piece together in there. So lots of screws to do on this one, but not any difficult fiddly bits. I think that's coming up soon. So let's get straight to it and make it look a bit like that if we put it all together, which we can't because it won't fit together yet. But soon. So today's parts and last time's start already. So let's get straight to it. We've got these are all plastic, but they do the job. First of all, we're attaching this piece to this. Get it the right way round. And it goes that way round. 3 screw holes are all offset, so it'll only go one way, like that. And we are going to use the FM screws for this first bit because we're going into the metal. The 3 of them. That's safe. And they will hold that bit onto there. So this is the right shoulder. So I would assume this is the inside piece. So the leading edge is the piece there. Not that it makes any difference even as yet, but down the line it will obviously be important. And being that this is a joint that's going to be holding the arm, obviously make sure everything is nice and tight and secure. You're not going to be able to get back in very easily to do anything with this. So make sure it's right the first time. Now you may notice when I'm putting these screws in, I'm going in and then back a little bit. That just breaks up the thread a little bit, makes it easier to... You don't get any sort of false, too tight bits. You can always go a little bit further if you go back a bit first, basically. There we go. That's that on there securely. Good. Happy with that. Next up, this bit isn't actually as secure as I would like. There's a little bit of movement there. So I'm going to just try it again, basically. Loosen it off and go just a little bit tighter. A little wobble. A little wobble now will mean big wobble later. I think that the way this works is the arm joint. There we go. That one's going in better. This is probably where the arm joint is going to attach, and this goes into this bit that then attaches onto there. But I've still got some movement there. I might break out a bigger screwdriver, a bit more grip to it. That's a bit too big to go into these screws. Oh, no, it might work. No, that's too big to go into the screws. Let's go down one size. See what I've got here. Might do it. Better fit in there, and I can get a better grip to the base of this and get that nice and tight. Worth building up a collection of screwdrivers for different jobs, different things, different grips, different handles, and different tips, obviously. Can be very useful. There we go, that's better on there. I'm happy with that. So now this bit goes on there. Which way around does that go on there? Looks like that's not what we're doing next. It's got a picture of that going through. Oh no, then it's got it go. Shows it in a couple of different orientations, which is not much help. That way round, and it looks like that bit's going downwards. I'm pretty sure the screw holes will only line up one way. And that's that way. That will go on there like that. Yeah, no, well, I thought it was showing a hole, but it's not. It's just showing the hole in it rather than anything else. So this is then going to be using all of these KP screws. 3 of this to hold that in place, and 3 more to hold the other bit in place in a minute. I might as well get a few of those out. What have we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Stick with this screwdriver that was working for me. Get that in there. That one in there. That one down the bottom there. I think that might be the inside. This is more decorative than that, so I might have had it the wrong way around. This is going to be the right facing this way. This is the leading edge. Probably. So this is going to be the outside, the arm that we're putting together now. It might just be that this is going to fit onto torso, onto the body, and the arm will be attached to the outside of this. I thought this might have been part of the arm, but apparently not. That's that bit on there. Good. Then we need to fit that to that. Got the thick bit coming out of there. Or is it the other way around? I was going out of there, right? So it goes through that way. As I thought, although that's quite a tight fit going through there. There we go. Push that in a little bit further. So that's going through there. That whole outside bit goes in there. With that bit down the bottom. Yep. 3 more screws hold that together, and that is the end of this issue. Let's get these 3 in there. And we'll see exactly how it looks. In a fairly straightforward, easy structural build. You'll build up the foundations before you can get all decorative on it. But I'm pretty sure the next issue or 2 are going to be getting decorative on it, making it look pretty, look all robotic and very primey. There we go. That is that. And that is where the arm is going to fit onto. We haven't done an arm yet, have we? We've done a leg. Leg and the basis of the torso. So I'm sure an arm will be coming very soon. There we have it. Start of the arm, where that's going to attach and obviously rotate. It's quite good. It does the job. It's got a metal base and obviously plastic decorative parts, but it does the job. I'm happy with that. Put those aside for later. I'll tidy up all the screws at the end of the month's build. So that's that. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.